Hello from Sandown Racetrack in Melbourne. We're here today at Compass IoT Track Day, exploring the new world of connected vehicle data. We're really excited about what this might mean around road safety in really understanding how drivers are interacting with our roads as they go around their daily business.
So Compass IoT is a multi-award winning road intelligence company. We use data from connected vehicles to generate really cool insights for transport professionals.
Data is playing a more and more important part in the way decisions are made by a lot of our clients. Our relationship with Compass gives us access to a truly disruptive data source, which helps us understand road intelligence.
For the first time, we have a scientific observation of what's happening for the interaction between drivers and their vehicles and the roads that they travel on.
Our ability to understand risks for school children in Victoria, our ability to try and find black ice in Canadian roads, our ability to try and understand problems in preparation for the Olympic Games, both in Australia and in the US, the applications are global. And this has really allowed us to deliver completely new and creative thinking for clients all around the world.
We started getting new insights into the way that drivers interact with road safety treatments. So for how long along the road their speed changes, and how sharply they brake, how sharply they accelerate, what their minimum speed is and what their maximum speed is as they navigate the changes.
Connected vehicle data in general has been super helpful, both in terms of creating new methodologies that we can use and new data sources that we can use to solve the same problems that we've had in transport for a really long time. And that is, how do we make communities safer and our roads safer so that the people that have to use those roads or roadside users make sure that they can get where they need to be and know that they're going to be safe.
Where we're also beginning to see it is that fundamental nature of how this data can be used and the machine learning and the AI with it in terms of how roads are actually designed in the first place.
Safety is a part of GHD's DNA, and when we're working with data, it's no different. Us working with the data that comes from Compass IoT is treated in the most privacy-compliant, safety way. It's completely anonymized, but the most amazing thing is it's almost like the population contributes to a data source which keeps the population safe.
We've had learnings about the power of this data and where we can take it to that is opening entirely new revenue streams for GHD, but also, really importantly, new ways we can help address death trauma on our roads and how we can potentially contribute to bringing that down. And that's lasting community value.